Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach with you, doing more word problems with you today. We're going to talk about jelly beans and frogs. What? Yep, here we go. Okay, so let's look at our problem. Remember, we are focusing on slowing ourselves down, right? Not rushing in to like, oh, I see a 10. I see a 5. I think I'll just put them together or take them apart or I'll multiply, whatever you're going to do. So let's slow down and actually see what this problem is about. Okay, so it's about Penny. It says she has 10 jelly beans. So already you're visualizing in your head jelly beans. You probably have had jelly beans or some kind of candy, right? They're pretty, they come in different colors, they're very sweet, they're really yummy. So she's got 10 of them. Her friend, Brooke. Now, if you have a hard time reading Brooke's name, that's okay. It doesn't matter what her name is, right? Her friend B, right? Her friend B gave her 5 more jelly beans. Has a friend ever given you something? It's really nice, isn't it? Maybe Brooke doesn't like jelly beans? I don't know, that's kind of strange. But nice of Brooke. Okay. So her friend Brooke gave her 5 more. Here's the question. How many jelly beans does Penny have all together? So all together means in total. So how many does she have now? So we're going to draw a picture to show a way that you can solve it. Okay, the picture can help you understand what's going on here. So we have 10 jelly beans. So I might do a quick 10 frame like I've done before. 2, 3, 4, line in the middle. So we got 10 jelly beans. So I'm going to fill up this 10 frame. So that's 10 jelly beans, right? You could have just done 10 jelly beans. You could have just done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so either way, you've got 10 here, 10 jelly beans, 10 jelly beans. But she got 5 more, so I'll put another 10 frame here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to fill up this top row because I know that makes 5. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I got 15 as my answer. Now if I did it this way, I drew 10. Let's draw 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, I've got 15. So that also equals 15. I'm going to show you one other way you could think about this. You may have done these before. They are called open number lines. So you just draw a little arrow going this way, a line, a little arrow going this way. Okay, let's say that's 0. Now we knew she already had 10 jelly beans, okay? And then she got 5 more. So I'm gonna go 5 more. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I'm at 10 and I go 5 more, so that's 11 right there, 12, 13, 14, looks like we landed on 15. So let's see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So again, I got the answer of 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. So what I would like you to do, if you were able to print this off, it's great. If not, remember, you can just remember this from yesterday, from last time? So maybe you didn't see it, but basically just get a blank piece of paper, okay? Draw 2 lines, or it could also be line paper, it's fine. Any paper will do. Draw 2 lines. Here's the word problem. Today's word problem is about jelly beans. You don't have to write it down, the whole word problem again. Here's where your picture would go. And here's where we're going to do the equation. So right now, what I would like you to do is draw a picture to represent the problem. Okay, so you can use one of mine. You could use the 10 frames or the little circle jelly beans or open number line. Okay, and when you're done with that, come on back. So you can pause the video. Okay, pause the video, and then when you finish doing your picture, come on back. All right, welcome back. So now let's finish up. Does your picture look like one of mine, or is it different? So you might see it differently, and that's fine. Okay, we don't want to spend all day making a picture because then we'll like lose track of what we're doing. We want the picture to be relatively efficient, which means it doesn't take too long, and it helps us to understand what we're doing and solve it. So we got the answer of 15 in 3 different ways up here. So our equation, right, or number sentence, is just using the numbers. So we know that Penny started with 10 jelly beans. We know that she was given 5 more. So that would be adding 5 more. And we know that's the same as 15. Right? 10 and 5 is the same as 15. Whatever amount on this side of the equal sign should be the same over here. Okay? All right, we're going to do one more problem today. I did promise frogs, and I'm going to deliver, so here we go. Once again, we have the number 10. We have 10 frogs jumped onto a log. So you can already imagine, there's a place I go walking sometime with my kids, and there is actually a log, and it's not frogs, but we see turtles on it. So maybe you're thinking about that. 3 more frogs jumped on the log. So like, oh, there was 10, and now there's 3 more, so there's more frogs. There's a lot of frogs on this log. And it runs. So the question, how many frogs are on the log? Okay? So I want you to draw a picture of what that might look like. You might draw a log with 10 frogs and then add 3 more. Okay, so pause the video. Draw a picture. Again, if you don't have this paper, just use a blank piece and come on back when you have a picture. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Bye-bye. All right, welcome back, boys and girls. So what did you draw? Does it look anything like mine? So here's what I've done so far. I did draw a log. Okay, maybe I should have colored it in a little bit there. Okay, and then I drew 10 F's because each F stands for a frog. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 frogs. And now I'm going to add 3 more. So another frog jumps on, another frog, and another frog. I'm really not good at drawing animals, so I didn't want to actually draw frogs. It would take me forever. So each F means a frog. So I have 10, I know I have 10 frogs here, and then I added 3 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's 13 frogs. Did you get 13? If you did, awesome. If you didn't, but you did your best, and you are working to figure this out, your brain is growing, and you're doing fantastic. Okay. I also drew a number line, right? Put my 0, my 10, and then I just hopped up 3. I knew that 10 and 3 more would get me to 13. And to show it, I put the 11, the 12, so 11, 12, 13. That's 1, 2, 3 hops gets me to 13. Okay? So our equation is what? What should we write first? What's the first thing? So we had first we had 10 frogs. Then we had 3 more, so we added 3 more frogs that jumped onto the log, and we got 13. So we know that 10 plus 3 is the same as 13. All right, awesome job, boys and girls. I will see you soon, and we will continue our work solving problems. All right, very exciting. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.